Hi, this is Learn Shore and welcome all of them to this brand new class. I'm so excited to begin this class, and this is class about data communication and networking. And today we are going to talk about some introduction to the networks. These are the topics that we are going to cover today. Networks, network criteria and physical structures. And the first one is network. A network. What is network? Network is the interconnection of a set of devices capable of communication. In this definition, a device can be a host or an end system as it's sometimes called. Okay, so as a large computer, we take the host as a large computer or a desktop, laptop or workstation, cellular phone or a security system. A device in this system can also be a connecting device such as router which connects the network to the other network, a switch which is connect device together, or a modem which changes the form of data and so on. These devices in the network are connected using wired or wireless transmission media such as a cable or a air. A network must be able to meet a certain number of criteria. The most important of these are performance, reliability, and security. First, we are going to discuss performance. The performance, it can be measured in many ways, including transit time and response time. Transit time is the amount of time required for a message to travel from one place to another. And response time is the elapsed time between an inquiry and a response. The performance of a network depends on a number of factors, including number of users, the type of transmission medium, the capabilities of the connecting hardware, and efficiency of the software. A performance is often evaluated by two networking metrics, throughput and delay, and we often need more throughput and less delay. And the next network criteria is reliability. In addition to accuracy of delivery, network reliability is measured by the frequency of the failure, the time it takes a link to recover from a failure, and the network robustness in a catastrophe. The third criteria of the network is security. Network security issues including protecting data from unauthorized access, protecting data from damage and development, and implementing policies and procedures for recovery from breaches and data losses. And the last topic that we are today discussing about the physical structures of the networks. A network is two or more devices connected through links. A link is a communication pathway that transfers data from one device to another. For visualization purposes, it is simplest to imagine any link as a line drawn between 2 points. There are two possible of connection. One is point-to-point connection and the another one is multi-point. A point-to-point connection provides a dedicated link between two devices. The entire capacity of the link is reserved for transmission between those two devices. Most point-to-point connection use an actual length of wire or a cable to connect the two ends. But other options such as microwave or a satellite link are also possible. For example, when we change a television channel by infrared remote control, we are establishing a point-to-point connection between the remote control and the television control system. The next type of connection is multi-point connection. Multi-point connection, sometimes it's called as multi-drop. This is a connection is the one in which more than two specific devices share a single link. In a multi-point environment, the capacity of the channel is shared either spatially or temporally. If several devices can use the link simultaneously, it is a spatially shared connection. If user must take turns, it is a time shared connection. These are the topics that we are going to discuss in this class. A simple review about this class. First, we discussed about the network. A network is the interconnection of a set of devices capable of the communication. And the second one is network criteria. The network criteria are performance, reliability, and the security. And there are some possible types of connections are in the network. They are point-to-point connection and the multi-point connection. That's all for the today's class. If you want to know more, there is a link in the description box. You can click and it will lead a site, and you can subscribe our channel to get more videos from us. If you have any doubt, you can post it on the comments. We will reply soon. Thank you guys. Have a good day.